What's going on, YouTube? I'm out here. I'm about to replace the door handle on my 07 Escalade. The door handle messed up here, doesn't open, and I had previously replaced the door handle on my driver's side, so I'm about to hit the passenger side and see how this goes. I had already taken this off previously, so that's off. Probably can't see it that well, but there's a little plate right here that needs to come off. So I just got my little flathead here. A little plate off right here. This little piece right here needs to come off also. Just pops off. There's also a plate right back here. A little plate. So I got a screw right there. There's gonna be two right there, one there, one there. And I know there has to be something somewhere else. Don't see it. We'll figure that out. This little piece comes off right here. This little piece comes off right here. Put all my parts off right there to the side. Now I gotta get in right here. So I got another extender here. All right, so from here, what there's some clips in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those out with a pry bar. What I'm gonna do first is wrap the pry bar in a t-shirt, or you can use a rag or anything, just something that's not gonna scratch the paint or damage anything here. So just kind of shimmy all the way down here. Alright, so it looks like we got this door panel off. Nice. Okay. Alright, I don't want it just hanging. Throw this box here, kind of keep it pried up. Now we have this, what I would say is weather stripping. It's kind of glued on there. So we want to make sure and peel that off. Coming right off. Now what I'm doing here is replacing the door handle, so I don't think I need to take the whole thing off here. We'll see. All right, so usually what you'd want to do is take this whole piece off here, but I really don't want to do that because putting everything back is going to be a hassle. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave all that there. I was kind of stumped on how to actually take the door handle off. I took this piece off here thinking that there might be a bolt in here somewhere, but there's not. All right, so there's going to be a bolt on the left side here and one on the right side bottom piece. All right, so I got all the screws out. This is out here. Great. So that's the old one here. Time to install the new one. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can get this off Amazon on sale right now. Now let's see if I can get a good shot of this. See right there on the right bottom corner, that little piece there. That's the piece that actually broke off. That's what I'm trying to get. And that's right here, out of this door piece right here. So that's the piece that's gonna actually open the door right there. So I got to get that. All right, so I was able to get this piece here. Now I just got to pull it out. This is actually the broken piece there, and that broken piece is actually this piece right here that's on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Get this new piece on here. Oh man, sauce money right there. So let me just make sure that it will work. Just gonna go ahead and take this off. All gravy right there. That looks good. Now comes the hard part. Look at this. Get all this here. Gotta put all that back together. Took off a few things I wasn't supposed to take off. Figure all that out. Now all that's left here. Put the clips back on. Just gotta put the screws back in there. But before I do that, I just want to make sure that everything looks good here. Oh, perfect. So I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can get this door handle on sale from Amazon. Also cool car accessories. Be sure and check out the links in my description. As always, thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.